everyone, I'm Steve Arpin. We're here at Daytona. Things are moving really quick, so why don't we climb in this Royal Purple Ford and go give all you guys a Red Bull Global Rallycross GoPro course preview. Here we go. We're going to be up to third, fourth gear maybe. Some guys are going to take the Joker here on the inside, first lap. This is a regular lap around the course here. This is like a third, fourth gear corner, hard off this, all the way up to fifth gear. We're going to come into it 180, tight, all the way down to first gear, half dirt, half asphalt. Gets really slick here. Down here in Florida, all they have is sand, so there's no grip on this. We're just pedaling these things. All sorts of handbrake right there, getting around that. We got a big jump here, but we have no grip getting up to it, so we're trying to do everything we can just to get as much speed as we can. Down here, it's going to get rough. We're all, as hard as we can, shutting down all the way to second here. A quick shift down to first right here, back onto the asphalt, but it's covered in dirt, so we're sliding all over the place. Now we're coming into a slow technical section up here. The cars are loose. We got a hard left right here into a tight 180 hairpin right here. All sorts of handbrake, getting it turned around. Now we're just going to try to be smooth through here. Third gear, we're going to start now. We're wide open all the way, full throttle up to sixth gear, 130 mile an hour. And right there is a lap of your GoPro course preview.